Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I have been paper crafting for decades, and here is the one thing I know that all paper crafters, all crafters in general, should be doing. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by for this very quick tip. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. And thank you to everyone who is supporting me in so many positive ways. Y'all show up for me day in and day out. You share my channel with so many others. And because of you, I continue to see phenomenal growth on my channel. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so very much. Today, I'm not going to take up much of your time, but I did want to touch on one of the most common comments that I get. And that comment has to do with projects not turning out the way that you thought they should turn out, or the way that you had hoped they would turn out. And y'all, the one piece of consistent advice that I can give is practice, practice, practice. The importance of practice cannot be stressed enough. Practice plays a role in everything we do, not just paper crafting. Think about your sports athletes. We're in the middle of March Madness, and I know this because I live with a basketball freak. So on those occasions when I do sit down and watch a portion of a basketball game with him, I'm always in awe of how these guys are able to take a basketball and make a three-point shot. They don't just know how to do that. They know how to do that because they practiced, practiced, practiced. They don't always get it right, but they get better and better because they continue to practice. So I'm giving this example because I don't want any of you to experience frustration because a project doesn't work. But the one thing that I really hate seeing in a comment is that I wasted my good paper because my project didn't work out the way that I had planned. So practicing is so important, and I practice on every project that I bring to you guys. Sometimes I might misstate the measurements, and I might not catch that misstatement during my demo of the project. But when that happens, some of you will leave me a comment letting me know that you were practicing and you noticed that the measurement might be wrong. I'll go back and check it, and I'll either leave a correction in the description box or I'll pin a comment with the correction. And I'll thank you because that is the importance of practicing. I thought I had it right, maybe I didn't. But in practicing, you realize maybe I misspoke or maybe I even made a mistake. So practicing will only make us better. And practicing will tell you and it will tell me if this is a project that I am capable of making. So practice, practice, practice on what I like to call guinea pig paper. So guinea pig paper is paper that you don't mind losing. Paper that you are willing to sacrifice on a project by practicing, practicing, practicing until you get that project where you want it to be. If you're a newbie to paper crafting, it might look easy. And it looks easy because I've been doing this over and over and over to the point of when I'm making it, I probably make it look easier than it is sometimes. But if you practice, 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 it'll become second nature to you. It'll get a whole lot easier and you'll be a lot less frustrated because you've practiced on paper that you don't mind losing or, for lack of a better term, wasting. So if you're able to take away anything from this video, it is the importance of practicing. This paper crafting thing that we share is a beautiful craft and it's meant to be fun, it's meant to be therapeutic, and you're meant to grow in the craft, but you're meant to be having fun while you're doing it. It shouldn't be stressful. So if you're new to paper crafting, start out small, practice, practice, practice. Don't compare yourself to me or to anyone else. You'll get there. But practicing is the key. So how many times have I said practicing in this video? Because that's what this video is all about, the importance of practicing. And through practicing, you get better and better and better. And before you know it, you are tackling more difficult projects that you once looked at and thought, I can't make that. But then you realize that you can because you have practiced, you have sharpened your skills, and you are ready to tackle more difficult projects. So remember, I wasn't born knowing how to do this. No other YouTuber was born knowing how to do this. We all share a love of doing this, but we all practice to get better, and you will get better too. So go to your discount store, grab a whole bunch of guinea pig paper, have fun practicing, and then have fun crafting that project that you are now able to make. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this very quick tip. If you have, please hit that like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.